Happy new month, everyone. If there is no time for you to be serious with content creating, this is the month that you have to be serious with content creating. As you all know, we are officially in Umber month, and September, November, December, September, October, November, December, pardon me. You see, these 4 months are months that a lot is going to happen on YouTube. Things like the algorithm will come out, like help you pull out more content. And another thing is if you're monetized, the RPM and CPM, it is definitely going to increase. And then when it gets to Vlogmas, which is December, it is going to be massive. So if there is literally no month that you've been serious from January to August, September, October, November, December. These are the months that you should take content creating serious on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vibes and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. Hi guys, doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do a subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments. And lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. So, like I said, if you are more serious with your content, YouTube algorithm will be there to like push out more creators. And do not say because you are a small creator that the YouTube algorithm is definitely not going to push you out. It is going to push you out if you're doing the right thing and using the right hashtag. In my next video, I'll try my possible best to give you a hashtag that is relating to each of your content so that it can actually help you grow as well. Now, another second thing you should always be conversant with is always pay attention to your YouTube analysis. Your YouTube analysis is very important, even if it's just the normal YouTube Studio app that you have. Pay attention. Now, why do I say you should pay attention? Pay attention to videos that are performing very well for you. Pay attention to your top most view video. It doesn't matter. It mustn't be 1,000 views, 5,000 views, 100,000 views. Even if the 50 views is your highest view, try to recreate those videos again to see if they will actually pick up. Try new things, explore on YouTube. Do not just limit yourself and say, oh, I'm doing vlog. If vlog is not doing, is not paying, I remain in vlog. At the end of the day, you'll be here years after years without getting results. Look out for what people are doing that is working so that you too can go in line and let that thing work for you. That is why I said pay attention. And when you're paying attention to your YouTube studio, pay attention to your trendings. You understand? Check the trending ends. If you do not know how to check it, you let me know. I'll be showing, or let me just say it here. If you go to your YouTube studio, your normal YouTube studio app, click on the analytics, you will see trending there before overview. Now, on the trending is simply telling you what is currently trending. And trust me, if those things that are trending are in your capacity for you to do it so that at the end of the day, you can be able to achieve the results that you are looking for. This 2025 is coming to an end, and it is going to be an error that you move into 2026 without achieving 99% of your results in this particular year 2025. You get my point. Now, another thing you should always pay attention to if you really want to make it out here on YouTube is pay attention to your competitors. I will keep telling you this. I will keep shouting it. Even if you want me to be repeating it in all of your videos, I will keep repeating it. There is nothing that will work well with you as your competitors. For those ones that do not know, once me and you, we are doing the same kind of content, YouTube is recommending my content. YouTube will also be able to recommend your content alongside my content because we are doing the same thing. You understand? Or as YouTube is recommending your own content, YouTube will be able to recommend my own content alongside your content because we are doing the same thing. This is one of the mistakes that a lot of people are making. Now, when you're looking out for your competitor, don't just look out for them and be like, okay, Vibe is my competitor. Now, okay, since she's my competitor, now anything she's doing, now let me be seen. No, look out for those one thing that those your competitors don't have or what they are not adding up to their own, even if you want to recreate their content and add it up to your own. That is what will spice it. I cannot see a video of how to get 1,000 subscribers. Number one is using pencil, and immediately I'm seeing your own. Number one, two is using pencil, and you expect me to stay. If you're giving me number one as pencil that another person has given, make sure that your own number one should be number 5 or number 6. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. Look out for new ways that will make people stay in your channel, watch your videos, click your videos, share your videos. You understand? And your competitors will help you do this. I will keep emphasizing it on YouTube. A lot of people come and tell me the YouTube algorithm, even in the live stream I did yesterday, the YouTube algorithm is hard, Sonia. The YouTube, I tell them the YouTube algorithm is not hard. The problem is the video you are bringing. The problem is your title. The problem is your tags. The problem is your keywords. The problem is your thumbnail. If they see it, would they click? Would they not click? Because if the first people YouTube is pushing your content to click the video to watch, YouTube will be able to push it out to more content. And in the last this thing that one YouTube CEO came to like say something in one video that I watched in their creators YouTube creators what they call it forum also. I've forgotten the name, or YouTube creator something. He said something. He said YouTube always keep people to push out small content creators video. That small content creators should not say YouTube do not push out their videos. They do push out. They have people that are designated mainly for small content creators just to be pushing out their videos. So the only thing that is making a lot of people's video look like it's not clicked is because the first set of people that YouTube is pulling out their videos to, those people, they don't even care about it. The title is not clickable, the thumbnail is not clickable. Like they don't have any relationship. And I keep asking myself because there are some videos I swear I see on my FYP that I just flip through and pass because it's not giving me any impression to click. It's not giving me any impression to click. Before people will click now, people want something that can educate them. People want something that can put money on in their pockets. People want something that can put money in and that can give them idea to turn, even if it's this 500 naira to 1,000 naira. Like people want information that is trending that they want to like get an update about it. There's a lot out there for you to be able to explore as a small content creator. And if you're not exploring it, if you're not checking out for all of this means for you to be able to explore them and start making money on YouTube, you will still be in the same position even till 2026. A lot of people that have changed their strategies on YouTube, they are getting it massively. They are making it out here massively. Even if it's $1, $2, $3, the most important thing is they are getting something. And please, if long form video is not working for you, explore shorts. Explore short. People are blowing up on YouTube now with shorts. People are cashing out on YouTube now with shorts. Don't just sit down and be like, it must be long form video. Please, don't just sit down and be like, if not live stream. Explore other things. There are things that can work for you. I monetized one of my woman, that was last week or last 2 weeks, with short videos. We showed videos. She already know that she will not be good with long form videos, or long form videos is not working for her. She pulled out a dressing code, this old mama dressing code, tie her ligogoro, do the short reaction. She and her children. Her videos massively getting views, got over 9 million views. As I'm talking to you guys right now, she needs just 500 views. And I believe that before the end of this week, 500 views will be completed because her videos are moving. Because she got a costume for herself. So these are things you should also be doing for yourself. Look out for ways to explore. If you see that lady's shorts, there is no way you're not going to click on her shorts to watch because her dressing already is dragging you. See people exploring shorts, see people exploring live stream, and you're still there. It's not going to make sense that this 2025 will pass without you getting monetized. It is Monday morning. Get up, do what you know how to do best, pull out content, start filming right now as you're seeing this video. Anyways, happy new month to all my families. Happy new month to all my friends. I want to say thank you so much for supporting me from January to now. I do not take you guys for granted. You guys are the best. To all our new subscribers, welcoming. To all our returning subscribers, I'm grateful. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you guys. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I say in my videos. I'm going to be saying, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you. Mwah. Do not give up no matter what.